So hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another story here. So before I'll jump into this video, I just let you know that I've created a playlist where you can find all my stories. Go and watch these videos. And if you're new on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click all so that whenever I just upload the video, you can just find it. So without further ado, let's get started with the story. So one day, a rabbit was hopping through the forest and he saw a snake trapped in the net. At first, he felt sorry for the snake, and at the same time, he was feeling quite hesitated. He was quite hesitating. That time, the snake said, "I won't harm you, that is my promise to you." So the rabbit chewed through the whole net and saved the snake. So as soon as the snake freed, he hissed and said, "I just want to kill you and just eat you." The rabbit was shocked and said, "No, you can't do this to me." There was a deer who clearly saved from that snake. So moral of the story is, think before you help anyone. That was for today's story. I hope you like it. If you did, make sure you share and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my old videos, just go to my channel and watch all the videos. Till then, thank you.